Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Jabalpur location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for Sales Officer CV for the organization HDB Financial Services. Job description, if we see, the person responsible for ensure the achievement of all sales and revenue targets for the branch. He should source business from open market. He should maintain daily sales report. The candidate should coordinate between all the sales support department, and the candidate should be able to educate and enhance the awareness of the company's products. The candidate should ensure highest levels of customer service delivery. The candidate should be unique in promotions and marketing initiatives. The candidate should take care of all process and related escalations. So these are all the job description details. For more information on detailed job role and responsibilities, you can browse the provided link and you can apply for the same. The provided link is https://www.htbfs.com/careers. So this is the official link for the careers page. You can find there are if there is a other job openings as well, you can find there. You can go through it. If you face any difficult getting information, let me know in comments. I'll be replying for that. So the job location will be Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Next, there is job openings for operation executive for a logistic industry, and this is only for freshers. This is for IEPS Education Private Limited. Salary offered 1,50,000 to up to 2,50,000 a year, and they have vacancies per India. So the location will be given as per your preference. Freshers are eligible, or less than 1 year experience also will be given preference. You should have a good communication skills in English language and should have a knowledge of Excel. And you can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 6261168146. Next, there is a job openings for trade apprentice for the organization West Central Railway. There is 560 vacancies available. The post name will be trade apprentice. Salary details not disclosed. Freshers are eligible for the job role, and education qualification is ITI. Job location is Jabalpur. Last date to apply for this job role is February 27, 2021. Selection procedure and candidate screening for WCR trade apprenticeship post is given below. So that is selection will be based on either a written exam or interview. For more information and to apply for this job role, you can visit the official website address of the Western Central Railway, that is https://wcr.indianrailways.gov.in. Next, there is a job vacancy for telecalling executive for the organization Axilex Nutri Corporation. Job location is Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. So this is the Pan India Operation Pharma Marketing Company involved in franchise appointment on all India basis. So they are looking for female candidates, preferably married. You will be required to do telecalling for appointment and business development. The candidate should be science graduate or from pharmacy background with good spoken English and knowledge of computer, Excel and Word, etc. is required. Office timings will be 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Office is near Clock Tower, Jabalpur. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7400717000. Next, there is a job vacancy for commercial business executive for the organization DCB Bank. Job description is given here. You can go through it. For more information to apply for this job role, you can browse the provided official website address, that is https://genesis.dcbbank.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for medical representative for the organization JKM Healthcare Private Limited. Job location is Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. The key responsibilities include the candidate should organize appointments and meetings with the community and hospital-based healthcare staff. The candidate should be able to identify and establish new business. The candidate should be able to negotiate contracts. The candidate should be able to demonstrate or present products to healthcare staff including doctors, nurses and pharmacists, should undertake relevant research, should meet both the business and scientific needs of healthcare professionals, should maintain detailed records, should attend and organize trade exhibitions, conferences and meetings, should manage budgets, review sales performance, should write reports and other documents. So these are all the job responsibilities. You can go through it. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7613555855. Next, there is a job vacancy for office assistant for the organization JKM Healthcare Private Limited. Job description details given here. The candidate should have a knowledge of computer knowledge for invoicing, accounting and inventory management. The candidate should be proficient in common applications like WhatsApp, Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. The candidate should be ready to take any working challenges in startup environment like self or given work during the working time and beyond that. The candidate should have a good communication skills, preferably English language for telecalling in standby period. He should be ready to sign in bond for 1 year with the company as per company will invest in learning of the candidate. Career oriented candidates will be preferred. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7613555855. Next, there is a job vacancy for data entry operator for the organization Sigla Tayal & Co. Job location is Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Job summary is should prepare, compile and sort documents for data entry and should verify and logs receipt of data. The candidate should transcribe source data into the required electronic format. The candidate should transfer information from paper format into computer files. Freshers are eligible for this job role and up to 1 year of experience also will be considered. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 6264916653. Next, there is a job vacancy for business executive for the organization Balaji Realties. Job location is Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 20,000 a month. This is the office address. You can go through it. And minimum 1 to 5 years of experience is required. Freshers also eligible for this job role. Education qualification minimum graduation any stream. The office timings will be 9:50 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7509548187. Next, there is a job vacancy for female telecaller for the organization United Cool and Electric. Job location is Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. You should able to telecall and hardworking and responsible honest candidates are preferred. Benefits will be cell phone reimbursement and internet reimbursement. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8989563635. Next, there is job openings for Dux Foundation. They are looking for mobilizer position. Job location is Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 10,000 a month. Job responsibilities includes the candidate should mobilize and enroll candidates in free courses or projects. The candidate should create awareness of project aim and objectives in the communities. The candidate should motivate to community people through orientation sessions and project briefs. The person is responsible for report and maintain the record updated on daily basis. The candidate good in communication and flexible, able to present organization on different platforms. As a team member, skills to motivate the community people and team members to develop project activities, planning and reporting. The candidate should identify and involve of the vulnerable groups and families in the project implementation. For further details, you can refer the official website of the organization www.dakshfoundation.org. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7000546101. Next, there is a job vacancy for trainer position, pharmacy assistant for the organization Dux Foundation. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 10,000 a month. Minimum qualification is high school diploma or associate degree is preferred. B pharmacy with minimum 1 year of experience is preferred. M pharmacy also preferred. The candidate should mobilize and enroll candidates in free courses or projects through career counseling. The candidate should conduct classes and maintain documentation. The candidate should conduct people and schedule meeting as per requirements. The candidate should be able to coordinate with people for providing placements to the candidates. Should be adhere to quality assurance standards at all times. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7000546101. Next, there is a job vacancy for trainer position, NTT PTT courses for the organization Dux Foundation. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 20,000 a month. Minimum eligibility is graduate in any stream. Post graduation is preferred. Should you have minimum 1 year of experience in teaching? Excellent communication skills. Should you have a knowledge of MS Office? Job responsibilities include should be career counsel and enroll candidates in courses. Should conduct classes and provide training to the students. Should maintain documentation work. Should maintain cordial terms with students. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7000546101. Next, there is a job openings for collection associate for the same organization HDB Financial Services Limited. Salary offered minimum 1,50,000 to up to 2,75,000 a year. If we go through the job description, the candidate should take care of collection and recovery in customer durable portfolio. The candidate should be able to handle individual collection portfolio, and the candidate should be able to update visit trials and money collection details on mobile app. The candidate should make sure 100% visit on all cases and tracking asset utilization and availability. The candidate should be able to manage daily and weekly targets as to facilitate the monthly targets. The candidate should be able to ensure adherence to process, compliance and audit related activities. And the candidate should not delay in the deposition. So these are all the job description details. For more information and to find apply for this job and to get to know more information on roles and responsibilities, you can browse the provided link, and you can find other job openings as well in this link. If you find any difficult in applying, you can let me know in comments. I'll be replying further. The official link is https://www.hdbfs.com/careers. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Jabalpur location as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage us to do more videos for your location, and share our channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.